Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to learn exercise 9 from the chapter measurement. In this exercise we are going to learn the conversion about kilogram to gram and gram to kilogram. So in this exercise we are going to learn how to convert the unit kilogram into gram and gram into kilogram. Let us revise the formula. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So this is the formula we are going to use when you are converting into grams. And the next formula, 1 gram equals 1 by 1000 kilogram. So this is the formula we are going to use to convert gram into kilogram. It is similar when we converted kilometer into meter and meter into kilometer. We are going to follow the same steps in this conversion also. Look at the first Roman letter. We are going to convert the unit kilogram into grams. So here we are going to convert 8 kilogram into grams. So let us write the formula first. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So just multiply the given number by 1000. Here we have 8 kilogram. Multiply the number 8 by 1000. By multiplying 1000 is very simple. You just write the given number. Here the given number is 8. Write down the number and put 3 zeros after the number. So if you multiply 8 into 1000, you can get 8000 gram. So answer 8 kilogram equals 8000 gram. Look at the next question. 2 kilogram and 225 gram. Here both the units are given, kilogram and gram. First we have to convert kilogram into gram. After the conversion you have to add 225 gram. So first write down the formula. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So here 2 kilogram is given. First you have to multiply 2 by 1000. After the conversion add 225 gram. So multiply the numbers 2 and 1000. It is 2000. The given number is 2. After the number I am going to put 3 zeros plus 225 gram. Add the numbers 2000 plus 225. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 2, 2 again, and write down the 2. So if you add 2000 and 225, you will get 2225 gram. So after the conversion we got the answer 2225 gram. Now let us write the answer. 2 kilogram and 225 gram equals 2225 gram. When both the units are given, first you have to multiply the number by 1000, then add the remaining numbers. So look at the next question. Here 5 kilogram and 50 gram is given. So as usual we have to multiply the number 5 by 1000, then add 50 gram. So write down the formula. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. Here we have 5 kilogram. Multiply the number by 1000. 5 into 1000 plus 50 kilogram. Sorry, 50 gram. So 5 into 1000. Multiply the numbers. 5 into 1000. Yes, the product is 5000 plus 50 gram. So if you add the numbers 5000 and 50, add the numbers 0, 5, 0 and 5. So if you add these numbers, you will get the sum of 5050 gram. So let us write the answer. 5 kilogram and 50 gram equals 5050 gram. So to convert kilogram into gram, we have used the formula 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. That means we have to multiply the number by 1000. Now look at the next Roman letter. Convert into kilograms. We are going to convert the given unit gram into kilogram. So here we are going to use the formula 1 gram equals 1 by 1000 kilogram. So here what is the given number? 6000. So let us write the given number and we have to divide the number by 1000. Unit is kilogram. So now let us use the easier method. Write down the number 6000. Write the place values. So we are going to take the last 3 digits, that is ones, tens and hundreds are gram and the remaining digit is kilogram. So here we got the answer 6 kilogram and 0 gram. So there is no value for the number 0. We can write only the kilogram. So the answer is 6 kilogram. If you convert 6000 gram, we can get 6 kilogram. So by using the formula 1 gram equals 1 by 1000 gram, we can convert the unit gram into kilogram. Look at the next question. 4050 gram. So we are going to convert this into kilogram. So let us write the formula first. 1 gram equals 1 by 1000 kilogram. So here the number is 4050. 4050 gram equals 4050 by 1000 kilogram. So we are going to divide the number 4050 by 1000. Let us write the given number with their place values. So let us take the digits which is in ones, tens and hundreds place are gram and the remaining digit is kilogram. So here what is the answer, children? 4 kilogram and 50 gram. So there is no value for 0. Let us take the number only 50. So 4 kilogram and 50 gram is the answer. So let us write the answer now. 4050 gram equals 4 kilogram and 50 gram. So after the conversion we got the answer 4 kilogram and 50 gram. So when you are converting gram into kilogram, you just divide the given number by 1000. Yes. Next we will move to the third Roman letter. Listen children. We are going to express the given unit into grams. So here kilograms will be given. We are going to convert into grams. Before that, let us revise the fractions in the unit measurements. 1/2 kilogram. We can write it as 250 gram. So 1/2 kilogram equals 250 gram. 1/4 kilogram equals, here 1/2 equals 500 gram. And 1/4 kilograms equal 250 gram. And 3/4 kilogram equals 750 gram. So this is the fraction representation in measurement. So 1/2 kilogram equal 500 gram, 1/4 kilogram equal 250 gram, and 3/4 kilogram equal 750 gram. So here the first question is 1/2 kilogram. Let us split the given measurement into kilogram and grams. So we can split this as 2 kilogram and 1/2 kilogram. So we know that 1/2 kilogram equal 500 gram. So we can split this as 2 kilogram and 500 gram. So we are going to convert this into grams. So we know the formula to convert kilogram into gram. The formula is 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So here we have 2 kilogram. Multiply the number 2 by 1000 and then add the number 500. What will you get if you multiply 2 into 1000? Yes, 2000 plus we are going to add 500 gram. Yes, now add the numbers 2000 and 500. 2000 plus 500. 0, 0, 5 and 2. So if you add these numbers, you will get the sum 2500 gram. So now let us write the answer. 1/2 kilogram equals 2500 gram. If the fraction is given, if the measurement is given in the fraction, first you have to split into kilogram and gram and then follow the steps which we used earlier. So now look at the next question. 1/4 kilogram. Let us split the given measurement into gram and kilogram. We can split this as 4 kilogram and 1/4 kilogram. So let us write 4 kilogram, and we know that 1/4 kilogram equals 250 grams. So now we are going to convert 4 kilogram and 250 gram into grams. So now let us write the formula. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. Here the number we are going to multiply is 4 because it is given with the unit kilogram. Multiply the number 4 by 1000. In the next is 250 gram. We have to add the number. So 4 into 1000. What will you get if you multiply 4 and 1000? Yes, write the given number and put 3 zeros plus 250 gram. Children, now add the numbers. 4000 and 250 gram. 0, 5, 2, 4. So if you add these numbers, you will get the sum 4250. So this is the answer. Now let us write down the answer. 1 by 4 kilogram equals 4250 gram. Look at the next question. 3 by 4 kilogram. First we have to split the given measurement into kilogram and gram. So let us split the measurements. 5 kilogram and 3 by 4 kilogram. So we know that what is 3 by 4 kilogram. Let us write in grams. 3 by 4 kilogram equal 750 gram. So we are going to convert 5 kilogram and 750 gram into grams. So we know the formula. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. First we have to convert 5 kilogram into gram. With the product you have to add the number 750. So here we have 5 kilogram and 750 gram. So multiply 5 by 1000. Then add the number 750 and the unit is gram. So 5 into 1000. 5 is the given number and put 3 zeros after the number. So 5 into 1000, it is 5000 plus 750 gram. Yes, now add the numbers 5000 and 750. Arrange the numbers and then add 5000 plus 750. 0, 5, 7 and 5. So if you add these numbers, you can get the sum 5750 gram. So if you convert 3 by 4 kilogram into gram, you can get 5750 gram. So let us write the answer. 3 by 4 kilogram equals 5750 grams. Yes, so in today's class we have learnt about the conversion of kilogram into gram and gram into kilogram, and we have used the formulas. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram and 1 gram equal 1 by 1000 kilogram. Is the concept clear, children? We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.